Hello, my name is Joe Miglick. I'm a qualified business and marketing trainer assessor, and today I will show the students how to navigate their way around Moodle. Moodle being the learner management systems where the college, Dalton College, uploads assessments and supporting documents like learner guides and PowerPoints, and case studies and so forth. And then the student logs on to Moodle to access these assessments, and then they'll go away and do their assessments and then upload their assessments onto Moodle again within the due date and time frame. Now, each student will be allocated a username and password which they will use to log on to Moodle, like I have here. I've already logged on, I've inserted my username and password. When you log on to Moodle, you'll be prompted to insert your username, insert your password, and then you click log on like I have here. But for the purposes of my presentation here, I don't want to log out because I'll have to log on and off again, and that's just going to waste a bit of time for us. So you need to log on to, or you need to go to daltoncollege.moodle.school, and then you'll be presented with the appropriate username and password information, and you log on with that. Once logged on, you'll be presented with available courses: manage workforce planning, develop workplace policy procedures for sustainability, so on, and there's lots of others there. You'll scroll down and hover your cursor to the appropriate assessment or unit that you're doing, and you'll click on that. For instance, let's just say you're doing manage personal work priorities and professional development. Click on that link and you'll be presented with a new section. Now, this new section's important because it has your general information, includes announcements, it has your unit of competency details there as well. Learning resources are there, your learner guide, your soft copy version of the appropriate material, and again, the soft copy version, the PowerPoint slides to assist you with your assignments. And then when we get to assessment tasks, this unit has assessment instructions to the students and also has two tasks, task 1 there and then task 2 there, and the evidence criteria. And in addition to this, if you don't have the time to look through the learner guides or the PowerPoints, I have myself created the appropriate video. So you can watch the video, and that's going to guide you through assessment task 1 and assessment task 2. So I've listed the video here, video tutorials, and I've explained the assessments in a lot of detail. I've guided you through the right sections, the appropriate information. I haven't given you answers because I can't do that, but I've helped you a lot along the way. So it's probably worthwhile viewing the video. So it says here, Trainer Joe explains assessment tasks 1 and 2. So the videos pertain to task 1 and then task 2 as well. Now, after doing all this, let's click on assessment task 1. So you've clicked on that. There it is there. And so you need to be able to then, just quickly, just list your performance objective here. Your assessment reports listed there as well. Now, this important part, click on the attached document for detailed procedures and submission requirements. So your action assessment tool, this is your assessment tool there, the actual question itself. So we'll open up this, and there it is there. Just increase the font a little bit. And so there's your assignment there. Just gives you, it's similar to what I've done through the videos, or I've described the requirements you need to do. So there's your assessment there. You'll go through that. You'll have a look at that. You'll answer that in the Word document or PowerPoints, so on and so forth. You'll scroll down to make sure you've utilized the information in the appendix, the work plan and stuff. Get all that filled out. And then you'll go back. You'll see from here, the information here, time remaining, when the assignment is due is very important. it's highly encouraged that all students submit their assignments on the due date. If they don't, they may incur a late penalty fee if it's in excess of 2 weeks perhaps. But we don't want to get to that situation. That's why you have a lot of information to assist you with. If I go back that one step, you really have a lot there. You've got your learner guides, you've got your PowerPoint slides, and your videos. And this is going to help. The videos are very useful. So if we go back to our section where we submit the information, of your submissions, what I'll do is convert myself over to the student. There I am there. There. So this is what you'll see. You'll go back. One moment. WOR. Let's go. There it is there. So you're at this section. You've got your learner guides, PowerPoints. You've got your videos. Task 1. Click on that. Your assessment tool there. Time remaining. For example, an assignment is overdue by 30 days. This is far too late. We don't want to get ourselves into this situation. We don't want to go beyond any overdue dates. So you've opened up assessment tool 1, you've addressed it, you've answered it, and then you need to go and upload this information. You click on add submission, and then you'll be presented with 2 ways to upload. One is where you could drag a file. It could be a file that you open up another box. It could be a file that you could drag. You drag it into there and drop it into there, or you could upload and choose a file from your desktop or USB and save it in the right place, and then save as, whatever you want to call it, task 1, WOR 501, task 1, and then upload this file and it'll be uploaded. 2 options, the drag or the upload, and then after that you click on save changes. When you've clicked on the save changes, you'll be presented with, alright, so let's just say I wanted to upload something here. It's just showing choose a file. Okay, let's go to my desktop. A file that I could use would be WOR 501, open WOR 501, task 1, and upload this file. It's uploaded, save changes, and it says here, submitted for grading. So there it is there, and the due date was passed in this instance. So we want to avoid this scenario. We want to avoid this scenario as well. It needs to be uploaded on the due date. Edit submission if you want to. If you've missed something, you can add something as well. And save changes. Now let's try that. Yeah. Okay. And then you'll be presented with, because I'm using this as the trainer or incognito student, the real student yourself, you'll be, after you submit this assessment, you'll be presented with 2 boxes. One's where you need to check, you need to tick those. They're the ones where they confirm that you have actually done these assignments yourself. And it'll say, I certify I've done this assignment myself, so on and so forth. And you click that box, you click the other box, and then you click on submit, and that's the final step. So if you want, what we can do is look at another unit. Let's have a look at, say, SUS there. We're going through that. We've got our usual. Let's have a look here. announcements are there, announcements from your assessor. Sometimes you can get announcements here from your assessor as well. You go into messages to see what messages have been left there as well. Messages, sometimes students may have forgotten to submit or upload the observation checklist, for instance, so, or a feedback form, or manager meetings information, and that you'll be notified of that through your assessor with the messages section there. So let's go back. Task 1. Add submission. Click on this, choose file. There's my SUS. There, I've got an SUS there. But I'm looking for task 1, so it's only task 1. Don't upload task 2 and 3, or part B of task 2. It's only task 1. So we only use task 1, so we upload that there. So open there. So it's only task 1. This is 501. And I will upload this. Or you could drag it in there if you want. Save the changes. Scroll down to, you can edit if you've forgotten something, or there it is, there's submit. Once this assignment is submitted, you will not be able to make any more changes unless I authorize it, in case you've forgotten to sign something similar, but it needs to be something genuine. Submit assignment, so click on that, and there's the box I was talking about. We need to confirm your submission. Check this box, click it. This assignment is my own work, except where I've acknowledged the use of other works for people, which in which case will be then referenced. Make sure you want to submit your work for grading. You will not be able to make any more changes.